Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to add shortcut Google Chrome homepage. We will start by opening the browser. There, open a new tab and you can see the available shortcuts. Now you will click on Add Shortcut. In this pop-up window, you will enter the desired name and address of this site. When you do click Done, you will see the shortcut added. You can click on this shortcut to open this site. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.